everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to our Value Education class. I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacations. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 3, Never Give Up, Session 2. And now let us discuss the question time. Question 1 is write yes or no. Give a reason for your answer. A. Pretty was a lazy girl. Yes, children, was Pretty a lazy girl? No. Why she was not a lazy girl? Because she practiced hard to win the race. So children, you also write this answer in your textbook, okay? No, because she practiced hard to win the race. Now B, she was not worried about the sports day. Yes or no for this? No, because she felt she had no chance of being selected in the races as she could not run very fast. The answer is no, because she felt she had no chance of being selected in the races as she could not run very fast. So you also write down this answer, children. Come to the next page, children. C. Her father told her not to lose hope. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Yes, because he wanted to encourage Pretty is the answer. See, I'll repeat again. You write down. Yes, because he wanted to encourage Pretty is the answer. Now D. Her friends made fun of her. Answer is no. Her friends decided to help her. Write down. The answer for D is no. Her friends decided to help her. Now E. Her team won the race. What is the answer? Yes. Yes, because Pretty never lost hope and practiced with perseverance. Yes, because Pretty never lost hope and practiced with perseverance. Now, come to the next question 2. Circle the correct answer. A. Pretty wanted to take part in the race or march past on the sports day. Which option is correct, children, here? Race or march past? Yes, race is correct. So circle it. Yes, race is correct. So circle it. Now, B. She decided to ignore or improve her racing speed. Improve is correct, so circle it. C. Her friends encouraged or discouraged her and ignored or applauded her when she did well. The answer is encouraged, so circle here. Encouraged and applauded. Okay. Now D. Due to all her persistent or occasional hard work, Pretty was rejected or selected for the races? The answer is persistent, so circle it. And Pretty was selected for the races, so circle selected. Now question E. Pretty and her team lost or won the race because they always or never gave up hope. Circle won. Okay, Pretty and her team won the race because they never, so circle never, gave up hope. Now, time to think. Perseverance means not giving up and trying again and again without complaint. Although Pretty had not won any race so far, she wanted to participate in the races on the sports day. She kept trying until she also became a fast runner. Her perseverance led to her being rewarded a medal and a trophy. Now here children, the meaning of the word perseverance is given. Perseverance means not to give up, okay, and try again and again without any complaint. In other words, we can say that perseverance means to overcome difficulties or struggle against the difficulties to win our goal or achieve something. Okay, struggle to achieve something. Now, it is said about Pretty that she, even though had not won the race so far, she wanted to participate in the races on the sports day. And she also tried to be a fast runner. And her perseverance led to her bring rewards, medals and trophies. Okay. Now the question is asked to discuss with friends any instance when you were not successful at first but continued trying till you achieved success. What did you learn from this? Yes children, think about it and discuss it. Okay. Time for a reality check. Kanika is a bright and sweet girl. She is good in studies and does not trouble anyone. She has only one weakness, and that is her love for junk food. This has resulted in her becoming. Her friends supported her, but some of her classmates make fun of her. Kanika wants to lose weight, but whenever she thinks of doing so, she sees one of her favorite junk food dishes and gives in to temptation. She also sometimes feels that she is still very young and there is enough time to lose weight when she grows up. In the time for reality check, one example of Kanika is given, that even she is a bright and sweet girl and she is good in studies and even she does not trouble anyone, but she has one weakness, that she likes or her favorite food is junk food. Okay, junk food means all the items which we buy from others or from the shops. Like for example, for eating we buy that vada pav, burgers, pizza. samosas. These all are junk foods. Okay. She was becoming fatter and fatter every day. Okay. Now her classmates also were making fun of her. Some were supporting her. Okay. And even though Kanika is thinking to lose her weight, she thinks that she has her favorite junk food. Also thinks that she is too young still. Let us see what is the question. Okay. Work in group and discuss what Kanika should or should not do. Use the points given below and add more points of your own. So children, you read it by yourself. Kanika, what should Kanika do and what should Kanika not do? And if you know any points, you can add some more here. Okay. Now come to the next part, that is diary time. Write what you would do if you were in Kanika's place. Write date here, today's date. And today we spoke about Kanika and her weight issue. If I were in Kanika's place, I would. You write here in your own words, children. Now next part. Your time. What will you do in the given situation? Tick the correct option. Now you have to choose the correct options in the further questions. Okay. 1. Like many others, you are also not good at everything. What will you do? Only do things you are good at. Try activities you are not good at to improve. Which option is correct, children? Yes. Try activities you are not good at to improve. So, take it. Okay. Second one. You have missed a week of school. What will you do? Work hard to catch up or forget about the work you missed. Which one is correct, children? Yes, work hard to catch up. Question 3. Your grades are average. Your teacher feels you can do much better. What will you do? Don't make any effort. It's alright, you get average grades. Start working hard to better your grades. Which option is correct, children? Yes. Start working hard to get better grades. Is the correct option. So take it. Okay. Now fourth one. You are almost at the end of the race when you get stomach cramps. What will you do? Finish the race even though in the pain. Pull out of the race. Which option is correct? Yes. First one is correct. So take it, this part. Finish the race even though in pain. Now put together. Okay, children. In this you have to do it yourself. Okay. You have to collect stories about people who showed persistence and were very successful in life. Read out these stories in class and make a group project. You can use the internet to get information about them. Now here, children, different pictures of different personalities like Stephen Hawking, Helen Keller, Abraham Lincoln, APJ Abdul Kalam, Subhash Chandran are given. They had persistence, means they were hopeful and they hope that they will succeed one day in their life. Okay, and they become successful in their life. You have to collect some information about them. Okay, you should know the stories about these people. Okay. About Stephen Hawking, I would like to tell that he was a physicist who cannot speak or move like others. Okay. Helen Keller was a person who was deaf and blind and who proved it was possible to communicate with fingers. Abraham Lincoln, a person who rose from life in log cabin to life in White House. Means log cabin means he was a child of a logger who used to cut wood or take woods and used to sell it. Okay, means log cabin means he was, when he was in childhood age or very young, he used to help his father for cutting that wood also. Okay, and he reached the White House, means he reached as a president of America. Okay. Now, APJ Abdul Kalam, the first scientist president of India, and you all know that APJ Abdul Kalam was a president of India and he was a great scientist. Okay. Sudha Chandran, an eminent dancer with artificial legs. Now this is Sudha Chandran. Now also she is working as an actress in serials. Okay, children, she is also an example of persistent and successful person. Okay, and she was a very beautiful dancer, even though she did not have her two legs. Okay. Now children, you have to collect some more information about these people. You can write down on the paper or you can just read it out for your information. Okay. Thank you, children.